Hi, another day, another surgery, another day of learning. So today, we are here at the Medical City, at the CASTI, or the Center for Advanced Skills, Simulation and Training Innovation. So this is the cadaver dissection of the Philippine Academy of Aesthetic Surgery. So today, tuturuan po namin yung aming mga training fellows how to dissect yung mga plane of dissection during surgery. And syempre po, ang very important is yung anatomy, no? Ang aming mga inuoperahan. So we will be teaching our training fellows. The full faculty are here. Dr. Alvin Jorge, Dr. Mark Fernandez, Dr. June Jorge, Dr. Levi Lansangan, Dr. Henry Claraval, Dr. Galen Perez, Dr. Raf Coloyan of Contours, Dr. Ken Ramos of Hira Aesthetics. And baka may nakalimutan pa ako. So those are our lecturers. Sila yung magtuturo. Sila yung mga magmo-moderate sa ating mga cadaver dissection. So they are all starting already. So tignan po natin. Usually we do this cadaver dissection every year, no? Para sa more learnings, no? Malaman nila yung anatomy and the plane of dissection, very important. So they are here. Actually, we're already done doing the forehead dissection for the forehead implants. Then the blepharoplasty tapos na rin, and now they are doing the rhinoplasty. So later we'll be doing the facelift, the paranasal, the chin, the buccal fat, and everything kung ano yung ginagawa namin sa face, all the surgery of the face. So that's it, another day, another surgery.